Do you want complete focus during do not disturb with no notification cluttering your panel? Here's how to do it. Samsung gives you control over how notifications appear when do not disturb is turned on, including hiding them entirely from your notification panel. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap Do not disturb, tap Hide Notification. Under when the screen is on, enable Hide from Notification panel. Once you do this, pop-ups and status bar icon will also be hidden automatically. However, important system alert like phone status and critical notification will still appear when necessary. So with this setting, now you can enjoy total focus without distraction. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.